Eye protection must be worn at an industrial sewing machine if you have just changed or adjusted the presser foot. If the presser foot is not attached correctly, it is possible for the needle to hit it, break, and send a piece flying in the direction of your face. Once you have made the first few stitches and are certain the needle, presser foot, and bobbin are all seated in the machine correctly and securely, then you may take off the eye protection. Please make sure to note the safety procedures posted at each station. If something breaks or won't work right, stop using the machine and clearly place the emergency tent on top. Let the monitor on duty or other AIBI staff know that something has gone wrong. The single needle lock stitch sewing machine is designed to allow you to switch out the presser foot. Changing the presser foot means that you can use different stitching techniques. All 4 of AIBI's single needle machines should have a variety of presser feet available for your use. Teflon foot, cording foot, very narrow foot. To change out the presser foot, unscrew the foot from the post. Set the new presser foot in place and make sure that it is seated firmly before tightening the screw. Advance the needle manually to make sure that the needle will not hit the new foot while stitching. A Teflon foot can be used when you are stitching on sleek or sticky material, like vinyl or leather. This should help you to keep stitches from skipping and the tension balanced. When you are creating your own piping, a cording foot will help you keep the cording tightly stitched in place. Place the cord inside the fold of the bias cut strip and position the cording into the groove of the presser foot. A very narrow foot can be useful when you need to stitch in tight places. Some may find that they want to use it instead of switching between a left and a right zipper foot.